What's going on, everybody? I wanted to discuss about one of the module that I have inside our platform, and if you're not actually in there, you pretty much missing out on valuable information in terms of mindset, in terms of building a online business using faceless content, right? And basically what I wanted to discuss to you about in this video is one of the module that we actually added in there. It's called everything with mindset and also hypnosis, right? When people actually hear the word hypnosis, they get scared because as they have watched on TV a lot, people make other people, like the actual mind hypnosis, the person who's actually the lead, he actually makes other person do crazy stuff, like crazy stunts, or they're barking like dog, and they just do crazy stuff, right? But hypnosis is not that, right? Hypnosis is pretty much you going into like a deep relaxed state, and you accessing your subconscious mind. So as an example, like when we actually born, as a baby, as a kid, right, we grow, and what we actually tend to happen to us at that stage, whatever our parents says, we tend to believe it, and that message actually goes straight in our subconscious mind. Okay, and when we actually get older, those actual programming is still running in the background, right? As a child, when we were born, right? So that's where most of our block actually comes from, is from our childhood, right? And how we actually can remove that is pretty much we have to get inside our subconscious mind and change the reprogramming and do new wiring, right? But we don't go there with tools, hammer, nails. We don't do that, right? We get into a hypnotic state, and when we get in very, very calm and we get very relaxed, that's when we can change. Rian, please don't hit on the road. Rian, please don't put the ball on the road. Okay, so sorry, my kids are playing on the road, so I have to just keep eye on them, right? But like what actually tend to happen is when we are born, that whatever message we hear from our friends, our families, from our teachers, from our uncle, from our aunt, whoever, right? And sometimes those messages are very negative, right? They have maybe a belief about money is bad for you, or money is not good for you, money is evil, right? And if you have a lot of money, you are a bad person, right? So this style of message actually gets ingrained in our actual subconscious mind, and when it gets ingrained there, and when we get older, those messages are still running in the background. Rian, don't bounce the ball, please. Stop it. So basically, how we can actually remove that actual programming is like what I already explained, is go into like a very, very deep hypnotic state, and whoever is actually, well, in the program, like I share like how you can actually do that, right? And actually guide you through the step, like step by step by step, like how to get into like a deep relaxed state. And then I actually just walk you through, right, what you gotta do, like step by step. So for example, a person who is not financially free, or he's very educated, but he's not able to get that money that he desires, right? Why is that so? It's because of the subconscious old program that he had from childbirth, right? And probably his dad or someone said money is evil, money is not good for you, or money is bad for you. So when we get older, that program is still running in the background, and pretty much what happens is that's what we tend to be believing, right? And we are living by that. So to stop believing and be living like what we used to live before when we were young, we have to change the programming, right? And this goes into different things, like person who's always sick, or they have disease, or like, you know, always sick, always they're coughing, they always have flu, is because they saw their parents actually living like that. Their parents were probably sick all the time, you know, taking pills or medication and stuff like that, you know. So as when the actual child actually gets older, right, he gets older and he's always sick because he saw his parents always being sick. So automatically and subconsciously he thinks that being sick is normal, right? And but that person is cannot understand, like, why is he always sick. But if he goes back like what he used to believe, that's what he can come up with, right? So, and all of these things, like people who have fear, people who have trauma, people who have bad relationship with money, people who can't keep money, people who can't be healthy, people who have issues with like sugar, you know, they eat a lot of sugar, people who have depression, people who have anxiety, people who are always scared and frightened, and there's like a lot of many things people actually deal with, right, because of their subconscious mind and the old programming that they have, right? So in the program, the good thing about like our program and the community that we actually build goes deep into like how you can actually deal with all of these different aspects, right? Reprogramming your mind, and like, to tell you the honest truth, like a lot of people, like for example successful people, right? Successful people, they most of them, they're doing hypnosis, right? Just to have clarity all the time, right? And because they want to keep getting ongoing success, that's why they keep working with a hypnosis person, right? And they're getting hypnotized like on a daily basis. So that's why I actually created the program that I did, is pretty much I put everything in there, like step by step, right? And you're just not getting like faceless content program, you're also getting like a lot of different mindset training in there, a lot of discipline training, you're getting a lot of affiliate marketing training, faceless channel training, how to build a channel, how to scale a channel, and like AI automation. So everything that you need is already inside the program. It's awesome, you know, countless hours that I've actually spent to create this actual program. So if you're not in there, let me know so I can share with you the details. And aside from that, you have an awesome day. God bless. Bye for now.